Nix, kita ka din. Nasa na po tayo? Nasa Cebu na po kami. Welcome to Cebu.
It's always a good experience with Air Asia. Very smooth landing. Medyo may pagka-delay lang.
Ano yun? Ano dapat tayo dito?
I was surprised sabi na 1 hour lang yung flight. I was like,
really?
Bilis.
I thought it was like an hour and a half.
Yeah, it was an hour and a half.
Wow.
Pero tulog pa lang ako, sabi na get ready for landing.
Girl, as in, alam mo yung tipong kakakuha lang namin ng meals namin? As in, kakakuha na namin. Pinatay na agad yung ilan. Wait lang po. Wait lang po.
Transfer, yeah, nothing recorded. Kasi I changed the SD.
Oh my God.
So when I uploaded on my phone, I was like, walang lumalabas na bagong clip. Buti na lang I didn't use it that much.
Whoa, what's this? Puso?
What is it?
Whoa, dim sum break.
We can have a snack? Oh yeah, where can you use it? We do it after hours.
What sense?
I love this song. I love this song, oh my god.
We got the look, yeah? Wow. So it's like Tim Ho Wan na. I don't, feeling ko it's not, parang it's a variation. Parang same principle. Same principle?
Favorite
spare ribs. Wow. How was it there? Mainit.
Sorry.
Hot. Dapat hot.
They're really good The sauce, hindi ko siya maintindihan yung flavor.
In the shade. Kasi she's at
Good.
As in, look at this.
Oh wow! Yeah!
Diba? So
good!
Tapos tingnan mo, if you look at the sige, so you can see also. That one, sobrang ganda. I just reduced the exposure.
Oh, it's so nice.
It's their best seller. Like asaging. Dito po tayo. Dito ka next. Try po namin si Hokkaido. How do you open it? You just
Yeah, like next.
You rip
In the
it
middle
open.
there's like a creamy thing.
Oh yeah, it is.
Where is siya yung...
Wow.
Get a big bite. Next big bite.
Thank you, Cardinal. Not sponsored.
Such a pushing your 30s thing to say.
A decadent. Thank you, Len. Masarap po. 10 out of 10. Compliments to the chef. To the baker. Has to start first. No, kasi not really. Pwede ganyan lang eh. Natatakot nga ako kasi baka mahulog siya. Oh my God. Ganyan. So ganyan. And then it tracks me. Ayan. Face tracked enabled. Tapos kahit example.
Ikot lang tayo. Casual.
Whee!
Taas.
We are the 360. haunted.
Ayun pala ganyan noon. Hi! Welcome to Cebu! Goodbye, Philippines!
We're in Cebu!
We are in Cebu! Cebu! Yeah, kasi it was like around the time that I was hoping. Akala ko like, bumipitas ka naman lang.
Hello!
Hello, Cebu! Asan po tayo today?
We are at the Magellan Cross.
Kulang pa ako sa mga shots ng burger. Okay, ma. Anong gusto niya? Lahat na.
Actually, mas maganda yung landscape nito. Like, ayun, no? Kitang-kita kay lahat, oh.
Oh my God! Len giving main character energy. Siya lang yung umiko.
Hey, Cebu! Oh my God, goodbye, Cebu!
Bye, Cebu!
Picture!
Hey! Sorry po, we tried.